how to report an issue in Apple Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Did you find a wrong address, missing road, or incorrect place in Apple Maps? Then I'll show you how to report an issue in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Open up the Apple Maps and then search for the place or location with that issue. Tap on it and then scroll down, and you can see report an issue option. Tap on it, and then you can see various options that you can choose from. Name is wrong, address or location on map is wrong, phone number or website is wrong. You can choose what issue that you want to report, and then after you tap on it, you can add your comment, add a photo, and then you can put in the required name of place. So after that, you can hit submit and your report will be directly sent to Apple. So it's as simple as that to report an issue in Apple Maps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.